If you want to create a video presentation using AI, then this video is for you. Google recently added one new application in their Google Workspace suite, that is Google Vids. As of date, it's on preview and this is available as part of Google Workspace Labs. Let me show you in this video how can you use this tool to generate a video presentation for your requirements. I will also show you how can you get required access in case you are already not part of it. So here in this email, you can see they have invited Google Workspace Lab users to try this particular tool. So let me click on it and open Google Vids to see that how can we use this tool to generate a video presentation. If I click on that, it will open Google Vids in a new tab. So this will be the first screen. There are multiple different options. Let me take you through all these options and let me show you how can you generate. So this is the initial interface. Here there are some ready-made prompts available. You can click on any of them and it will generate the presentation for you. If you are not happy with these 3 prompts, you can click on this particular icon. It will shuffle and it will show you some more options. Now, if you have a specific requirement to generate that, you can type it here. What I have done, I copied one prompt and let me paste it here. That I am planning to start a cafe chain, which I am not actually. Please help me to create a pitch deck which I would like to present to my investors. Make sure to add all required details while the deck should be concise. So if I click next, what it will do, it will generate a content outline for me. You can see it generated multiple different slides. First one is introduction, second one is introduce yourself and your team. So all these are editable. And if you click on any of this icon to add, it will add another new slide and there you will be able to add your own content. And using this particular icon, you can delete. So this is the content outline and it can be changed in all aspects. Whatever you want, you can change, you can edit, you can customize. Now let me show you another option. If I just change this particular prompt a bit, I added one single word here. I'm planning to start a cafe chain in Bangalore. And if I click this particular icon again, then it will regenerate the content outline. Let's see in case it can incorporate the changes and how is it doing. If I click on it, you'll be able to see it's regenerating the content and now the Bangalore specific details should be added. Now you can see brief overview of Bangalore cafe market. It added. So this is very good, right? Based on our prompt, it is changing the content outline and this is also very accurate. Now let me click on next and show you the different other options. Here you can see there are only 3 templates available. When Google announced this particular product, they shown multiple different templates. However, as of date, these 3 are available considering it's not in production, it's on preview and it's only available for Workspace Lab users. That's why they are maybe starting with some limited options. What I'll do, I'll click on any of them like this one. Now this is the template and it's showing you all those options available within that template. Let me do one thing. Let me create the draft video if I click on this particular icon. Now it started generating the content. Let's see. And normally it takes 10 to 12 seconds time to generate the entire thing and it's pretty quick as of date if I consider the number of slides it's generating. And let's see how it comes back with. Now you can see it generated the content outline. And now we are inside the editor. There are multiple different options to customize your presentation. Let me show you one by one. Now the first one is if I select any of the slide, you can see there are some text already written. So it's completely editable and you can change anything and everything about it. There are some other design aspects also available. You can change and fine tune as per your requirement. So if I close this particular prompt, here you can see that formatting option is there for this particular image because I selected one image. This is one rectangle shape. And if I click on that, I'll be able to change different aspect of it. And from this particular icon, I'll also be able to change the animation part in case any animation is already there. Now, all those size, rotation, positions, text fitting, everything you can configure. All these are customizable. So till the time you're satisfied with your presentation slide, you can change everything from here. So what Google Vids is doing, it's generating the initial content for you so that you don't need to break your head to come up with the ideas. So it is generating the basic structure for you. And on top of that, you can build on it. Now, before I show you the next option, currently I'm in process to record one comprehensive course on generative AI related tools. This particular course will include Google Gemini, Microsoft Copilot, and ChatGPT. Along with that, I'll also cover some of the prominent AI-based tools like Claude, Perplexity AI, and different other components which you need to use on day-to-day basis. I have added one Google form link in the description below. Please fill up the form if you want to get a 70% discount coupon once the course will be live. Now coming back to the video, and let me show you the next option. Now here in the right side, you can see there is one video. You can do multiple things here also. One thing is that you can record the video. Now if I click on this particular icon to record the video, what it will do, it will open the video recorder here. Hi there. So you will be able to see and you will be able to record your video using this particular icon. Another thing is there is a teleprompter here. You can see you can increase the size of the text and you will be able to read it from here whenever you are recording your video as a teleprompter. And using this option, you will be able to also change the read along, rolling or manual, how you want to change the teleprompter style. So those options are here. Using this particular icon, you can edit the script if you want to change anything and it will come back to the main menu. Let me click on continue and it is coming here. Now we can see the script is visible here. Normally you will be able to invoke this script pane from here. This is the option. You can click here and your script pane will be visible. Now there are few more options. Let me show you here. One is that AI voiceover. If I click on that, it will show you different options. If I click on this particular icon, and now multiple different voice options are there. If I click on any of them,
the voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond to your video.
You can try other options like this one.
The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond.
So you will be able to select any of them and you will be able to change. And if I click on this particular option and if I play.
Welcome to our cafe chain pitch deck. We're excited to present our vision for the future of coffee in.
Yeah. So this is the way. If you are not confident about that speaking on this particular video, you can use any of the AI voiceover. Also, and once this is done, you can click on the insert into timeline. It will get added here in the timeline of your video. Now, if I close that, and the second option we already saw, that is the record option, and there you will be able to record. Now, few of the options are here under this record icon. That is, you can record using the camera. You can record your screen. You can record screen and camera both in case you are presenting something. Like the way I'm presenting this video, I'm recording using a camera and again I'm recording my screen, and then during my video editing I'll merge this thing together, but that takes time. But here what Google brought it here, both things you can do on the go, on the fly, and within this particular video editor only. So this is incredible, and this will add more value and it will help you to save time down the line in case you work in this kind of requirements. Now another option is that it can also record the voiceover as we talked about. If I click on that, currently you can see it is showing that voiceover is recording. And now if I click on it, and I'll be able to record the voiceover. Let me try to do that. Welcome to our cafe chain pitch deck. We are excited to present our vision for the future of coffee in Bangalore. Now you can see it's showing the different other text also based on this particular slide, and you will be able to preview once this is done. Let me do that. Welcome to our cafe chain. We are excited to present our vision for the future of coffee in Bangalore. Okay, so this is the way you will be able to record your video. You will be also able to add your own voiceover or AI generated voiceover in your slide. Now let me show you a few more options. So this is the next one. You can see in case you want to change the transition between two slides, you can click on this particular option. Currently the push is configured. You can use any of them as per your requirement. So this is the way you will be able to change all aspects of your video presentation, and you will be able to make it a comprehensive one as per your liking. I'll show you few more options. Here there is one image and there are a couple of options we need to check here. Again, first one is the formatting. If you click on that, different formatting options will open. You can play with it and you can change according to your requirement. Second one is that the animation we talked about. Third one is using this option, you will be able to remove background of any image if you have any such need. So if you click on it, it will try to remove the background of the image, and currently you can see it's working and it's removed the image background. So this is the way you will also be able to utilize. Let me do that, Ctrl C, and then it is back. Now this is one option. Another option is you will be able to create images with Google Gemini. If you click here, it will open a prompt, and here you can type your requirement and you can generate an image and you will be able to add it. Once you will be able to type your images, then you will be able to select a style also, that which type of image you are generating. Will it be used as a background, or will it be in the foreground, or what type? So all different versatile options are available here. You just need to use it to get most out of it. So now another option is there, that is stock images. If I click on any of the image and if I right click and then I click on browse replacements, what it will do, it will open the stock image library, and here if I just maybe type coffee and then I hit enter, I'll be getting multiple different options. Let me select this one, and now this particular image will be part of it. I can change different aspect of this particular image. If I click on this crop, then only this particular cup will be visible, and this is the way you can adjust. So everything can be changed here as per your requirement. I just shown you few of the options, that how can you edit text, how can you add transition, how can you change the video, how can you record your own voice over your video, and you can also change the images in case you need to do anything. Now what I'll do now, I'll show you another option that is very important for any of the presentation, that is the music. If you see, it already added one music track. Similar way, whenever you are searching any of the stock images, you can search here music and you can type your requirement. Maybe an instrumental you can type, and you will be able to get different options, and then you can just play and find out which one you like. And once you choose your music, you can click on this particular icon, it will add as an audio file. You can see it added this particular track here as an audio. What I'll do, I'll click on Ctrl Z and I'll come back. Now another option here which will help you to edit your presentation better, that if you click on this particular icon, it will give you a granular details, that which transition, which music, which photo is coming where, and you will be able to play with it and you will be able to make record changes. You can also click on this particular option to change the volume of your audio, whatever you are using in your video. If you click on it, you will be able to get this particular right pane. There you will be able to change the volume. You will be also configure fade in, fade out during the start and end of your presentation. So this is the way you will be able to work on this. And another very good feature is, whenever we started, we just used a prompt to generate the content. You will be also able to do it using your existing documents or presentations also. You can use any of the documents available in your Google Drive, and from there also it can generate the presentation. You can play with it. I'm also in process to record another video where I'll use one of the existing presentation to generate a video presentation from it. Please consider subscribing to channel if you want to watch that content also. Now let me do one thing. This particular presentation, we saw that how it is. If I click on play, it will start playing the presentation, how it generated. I have not changed any of the content. So this is the basic one which it created automatically, and on top of that you can change based on your requirement and need. And once this is done, you can stop this particular play. You can come to file and you will be able to download it as an MP4 file, so that your video presentation will be completely ready. Let me know in the comments below, how are you planning to use this particular tool, and will it help you in your day-to-day workflow. Also let me know if you want me to record any other videos related to Google Vids or any specific topic as per your requirement. I'll try to incorporate those in my upcoming videos. So if you already don't have access to this particular tool, I'll add link of this Google Workspace Lab page in the description below. You can check out this particular page and you can fill the required details to get access to Google Workspace Lab. And down the line, once a new product will come, you may get some early access to try those tools. So hope you learned something new today. If you got any value from this video, please do like this video and also consider subscribing to my channel if you want to watch similar content in future. In this channel, I talk about multiple generative AI related tools and products which can help us to save time and be more productive. So hopefully once you visit my channel videos, you'll be able to get some value from other videos also. If you want to learn how to generate multiple presentations on bulk, then check out this video to know everything about it.